people ask me all the time how to get rich and how to make more money and how do they keep more money. Well, the thing is anybody can make money. The hard part about that is saving it or being disciplined enough to reinvest it. Anybody can make, $2,000, $4,000, $10,000, but if you spend it right away on dumb stuff that you don't need, that you can't use for anything besides entertainment. Now, entertainment is important for your life in a lot of mental aspects and health benefits, but talking from a investing standpoint, you need to be able to invest some of your money, which means you have to save some of your money first. Now, if say you're making $1,000 a month, then you want to try to put away at least $100 every single month. Now, that's not a lot. It can be to some people, and maybe it's not to many. But in 12 months, you'll have $1,200. So in reality, you've actually saved 1 month's worth of your salary in a year, right? So now you have a cushion. Obviously, if you make more money, you could save more money and you can build this traction faster, but you need to put in the work and you need to put in the discipline first to make the money, to increase your income, and then you have to make an effort to increase your savings and investing while your income increases. Don't increase your lifestyle. Don't buy more stuff. Don't, buy dumb stuff. Don't increase your means of living. Keep it where it was when you're making that $1,000 a month, and then now that you're making $4,000, $5,000, $10,000 a month, or even if you're only making $2,000 a month, whatever you're making, just put away 10%. And then after that, start working it up to 20%, and then start working it up to even 50%. There's people that save 50% of their income every single month. So imagine if that same $1,000 example, you're able to put away $500 every month and then live off of the 500, right? In a normal society, but I don't think there's many places that you could even rent for less than $800. So I mean, all that would be rent right away. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed a real quick tip here while I'm waiting for the car to warm up. I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick tip. It's basic information. Everybody should know it, but not a lot of people talk about it. So just wanted to share it with someone who may not have known. All right, you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more great videos.